In this video, we're going to go through 3 tips that tech entrepreneurs can use to solve problems. And I'm going to use Swizo as an example to show you some of the problems that I saw and then how I was able to solve that problem. So, for an example, one of the problems that I saw was a lot of tools out there do not have specific templates that tech entrepreneurs would use. One of those templates being we have this on Swizo, we have a reference link where you can put a link to an outside reference that you want to look at later with notes about that reference. Maybe you saw an FAQ section on a website that maybe you want to use in a future project. And so we created a template that you can put that link there with details about that link. I noticed that a lot of tools didn't have features like that that would be useful for us. So looking at this first point here, I noticed, why is this type of thing happening? Well, one thing that I came to the conclusion was that these tools are not really built for tech entrepreneurs. Most of these tools are general brainstorming tools, or they're general project management tools that people from all industries, designers, marketers, project managers, anybody that can use, freelancers, that anybody can use these tools. So they're not really made for one specific type of general audience. So that's probably why you won't see specific templates like that that we would need, because they're general apps. And looking at this second point here, to look at any current solutions, there's a lot of great tools out there for putting down ideas. There's Notion, there's Roam, there's Miro, there's Xtiles, there's Asana. You can use your Apple Notes, you can use a .txt file. There's so many different resources out there that you can use and that I've personally looked at and tried in the past. And then looking at this third point here is to brainstorm and quickly test solutions. So looking at the solution that I came up with of building this template. So what I did is I just asked people, what kind of templates would they use? Why do they even need templates in the first place? Especially, and you have to look at, when you're trying to solve this problem, what I like to do, you want to look at the specific group. So with Notion and all these tools, they serve a whole, like, they serve multiple groups of people, but because Swizo is focused on tech entrepreneurs, I went and I asked tech entrepreneurs about the problem that they were having, and then I quickly tested these solutions. So what I did was I create a mind map like this of ways of how I could solve that problem of creating custom templates for tech entrepreneurs. And then I'll go ask them, okay, what kind of solutions would they like? Would they use a template like this or like this? And then once I actually built this template, then I can get them to use it and to see, okay, do they really like this template? Maybe what I thought was wrong. Maybe these reference links, they don't really need it. Or maybe they need it, but they need it built in a different way. But the goal is to try to get that idea or that thought out to them as quickly as possible to quickly test it. And so by going through this problem of seeing, okay, why is the problem happening? Looking for any current solutions and then trying to brainstorm and thinking of ideas and then quickly testing them, I can use this process to help solve problems that I find out there. And you can also use this same problem when you can also use the same process when you see problems out there that you want to solve either with your services or your app. So if you're interested in a tool like this where you can use to categorize and organize your ideas, you can check out our tool Swizo. The website is swizo.app to learn more about our brainstorming and project management tool.